Hey everybody, welcome back. Tophat Smoky Barbecue. It's been more than a minute since we've seen you. First of all, it's December 31st, 2020. So, Happy New Year. We can't wait to get this stupid year over with and let's get into 2021. So what we got going on, as you can see, is we got some ribs out here. We're not doing competition style ribs today. We are doing our version, Meattown, USA, of the McRib. So we're going to smoke these bad boys till the bones fall off, and we're going to do a Meattown rib sandwich. So we think it's going to be good. So what we're doing is just pulling off the silver skin here. That makes that all that tough membrane. Don't want that on. We've already done these two. So now what we're going to do is put some mustard binder. We're not doing these comp style, so we're not doing what we usually do in our ribs. We're just doing salt, pepper, garlic, and Killer Hogs barbecue. This is also Killer Hogs SPG, but I just got it in a generic container. Malcolm Reed, you know I love his stuff. Thank you, Malcolm. So there's other videos of this out there, but this is going to be our version. We think it's going to be good. Mustard, just a binder. You're not gonna taste it. And like I said, if you want to see other rib videos, we have plenty of them on the channel. Please look at them, give us a thumbs up, give us a like, please subscribe. So here we go. Salt, pepper, garlic, generous. We're going to be putting these on our pit barrel cooker for 3 hours, and then after 3 hours, we're going to wrap them and we're going to transfer them over to the Grill Silverback because we have more room and some foil. Maybe an hour, maybe two, we'll see, until that bones get wiggly. Then we'll take them out, sauce them up, just straight barbecue sauce, nothing fancy. We're trying to make this kind of comparable to McDonald's McRib, probably for a half hour or less at that point. So what we're just doing, as you can see, is we're just putting our seasons on. So we'll finish seasoning them up, get the hooks on, and we'll show you what's next. So we'll see you in a minute. Okay, so we're over here at Meattown. Got our ribs sitting here on the table. Got the pit barrel up. She's cranked up at about 250. We got the vent wide open. It's about 45 degrees out, so we have to do that. We'll adjust it if need be. So we're going to start hanging the ribs. We got a couple chunks of cherry wood in here. As you can see, it is cranked up, ready to smoke. So we're going to just start hanging our ribs. And what we're going to do, I think I told you we're going to hang them for 3 hours. We probably will come out and spritz them once an hour. So maybe we'll show you that to you. If not, no big deal. It's just spritz. And there's the silverback, which we'll be using later. If you're new to the channel, if not, you know the setup. All right. 3 ribs hanging. This is where they're going to go for the next 3 hours. Smelling good out here already. Excited to have a video going. It's been a while. In a little bit, we're going to show you our new toy, the newest member to the Tophat Smoking Barbecue Meattown family. It's a pretty cool little machine. See you in a little bit. All right, here we are. It's been an hour. So what we're going to do is spritz it with a little bit of apple juice and apple cider vinegar. I'm going to back up a little bit, Jackson. Smoke might get you. Just got me, because now I can't see. Alright, so looking pretty good. As you can see, it's nowhere near ready, but looking good. So we're just going to spray it down a little bit, get some moisture on there. Put that back on. Right here. Looking good though. They're getting there. 2 more hours to go though. So they're nowhere near ready. Alright. Woo. Smoking my eyes. And back down we go. Alright. So while we're here, show you our newest thing we got here. Here it is. This is the Masterbuilt 6-in-1 or 7-in-1 outdoor air fryer. As you can see, you can air fry, you can roast, you can bake, convection oven, broil, dehydrator. So 6-in-1. This is your temperature gauges on it. It's got presets for like air fry would. If you put this over to this arrow and you hit that, the air fry goes to 400. I think the roast does 400. Bake. We're going to show it to you more in depth later. We just cooked some fries on it and some. This is your a little warm still. This is your trays. They're stackable. And we did fries and chicken nuggets. Now, they took 20 minutes, but it's cold outside. And they weren't crispy, but we should have sprayed them down with a little oil that would help crisp them. You got these removable trays. You put your stuff in there and you can stack it, as you can see. There's also a chicken tray where where your chicken sit on. So you would fill this up and you would sit it in here like so, and you would close this. And you would go through whatever you want. So that's just a quick one. So everybody, the video is about the McRib challenge. But just thought we'd show you our newest toy to the old Meat Town family. So we'll see you in about an hour. All right, here we are. 3 hours in the pit barrel. We're going to now transfer from the pit barrel to here. We're going to put just Sweet Baby Ray barbecue sauce on it. We're going to wrap it. Put it in the silver bag. So we'll begin our thing. Man, that is some serious smoke. Gotta step back for a second. Alright. Take this one. It's over here. Looking pretty good. What we're going to do is put a little bit of barbecue sauce on it. That'll be what we want. All right. There we go. Nice basting that with barbecue sauce. Okay. Now we're going to wrap it up. Put it in the old silverback for an hour and a half or 2 hours. And let it really get tender. Alright, this one. We're going to have that at 250. It's coming up right there. So, excuse me, Jackson. Got more to do here. Get another one. Can't even see what I'm doing. Okay. There's the second one coming at you. Looking good. See how that bones are drawing back? When we're done, we'll be able to pop them bones right out to make our meat rib sandwich, we'll call it. Not versus the McRib sandwich. Alright. Lather that sucker up. Alright. You could eat that now if you wanted to. But we're not ready yet. So anyway, you get the gist of what we're doing. We'll do the other one and we'll put it on there. And we will come back out about an hour and a half and see where we're at. And we'll go from there. So we'll see you then. Okay. It's been an hour and a half, so we're back out here. Big old silverback. We're going to pull one of them off and see what we got. We'll take a look at this one. See if the bones are pulled out where we want them at. All right, see what we got. Damn, looking good. All right. Bones, look at that. I can pull the bone right off the rib. So what I'm going to do, see that? Okay. Now what we're going to do, put that back on here, unwrapped for about 15 minutes to get it to set back up a little bit. Things falling apart, which is what we want. This is not competition ribs. This is rib sandwich ribs. Different story. Take a look at this one. Oh yeah, look at that one. Look at them ribs, man. Pulled that perfectly. Falling apart on here. I think they're not falling apart. There's a bone. Got what we want. Alright, pull this one off. Should look exactly the same as the other two. 100%. Very hot. Always wear gloves, which I got. And liners. Okay. What I'm going to do, taste it with some barbecue sauce. Each one with a little bit more barbecue sauce. Look at them ribs there. They're falling apart. Alright. Alright, so that's what we gotta do. We'll be back in a minute. Okay, so here we are. We're gonna take these bad boys. They are falling apart, which is what we want. We're gonna take them in. We're gonna make our sandwich and see what we got. So there we go. They looking good. Man, they are smelling. What you got? Smell it. All right, we'll see you inside. All right, here we are. We're inside. This is our McRib sandwich. We went to McDonald's and we got a McRib. This is their McRib sandwich. Not judging. You judge it yourself. That's the McDonald's. This is ours. I'm going to go ahead and cut ours in half. Show you what we got going on here. Just like McDonald's, we have pickles and onions. That is an onion. This is outstanding. This melts in your mouth. Smoke flavor. This is an awesome rib sandwich. Now, I guess I have to try the McRib. I think it looks as good, but we'll see how it tastes. Okay. I prefer our sandwich. And I'll leave it at that. But here we go. Tophat smoking barbecue, rib sandwich. That is fantastic. So, what we do, 3 hours on the pit barrel, hour and a half wrapped on the silverback. There you go. Falling apart meat. It's delicious. I highly recommend you try this version of a rib sandwich. Happy New Year. Let's get 2020 the hell out of here. And we'll see you on the next video. Hey, hope you liked that video. It was a lot of fun to make. Hope you guys try it out. If you'd like to subscribe, click here. If you want to watch some more videos, click here. So Tophat Smoking Barbecue, we thank you.